Speak 3 free AI tools. $4,000 a month. Break time equals in quote 600 ms in quote /1 catch nobody tells you. B-roll, break time equals in quote 300 ms in quote /chat, Canva, and n8n logos side by side, ChatGPT. Break time equals in quote 600 ms in quote /Canva. n8n. Break time equals in quote 600 ms in quote /everyone says they're free. Break time equals in quote 600 ms in quote /here's what nobody tells you about the actual cost to build a real business with them. B-roll, break time equals in quote 300 ms in quote /chat rate limit warning screen, ChatGPT free, break time equals in quote 300 ms in quote /10 messages every 3 hours. Break time equals in quote 600 ms in quote /45 minutes of real work, then lockout. Break time equals in quote 600 ms in quote /deep research pulls together 100 sources in 15 minutes. Break time equals in quote 600 ms in quote but GPT-4o mini got 79% of factual answers wrong in benchmarks. I caught it making things up 3 times in one afternoon. Break time equals in quote 600 ms in quote has it ever confidently lied to you? Drop it below. B-roll, break time equals in quote 300 ms in quote Canva AI credits counter draining to 0, Canva's free AI credits are lifetime, not monthly. Break time equals in quote 600 ms in quote 50 total. Break time equals in quote 600 ms in quote /1 afternoon of product mockups wipes them out. Break time equals in quote 600 ms in quote for non-designers shipping 20 assets a week, nothing else comes close. B-roll, break time equals in quote 300 ms in quote n8n workflow canvas with connected nodes, n8n self-hosted, break time equals in quote 300 ms in quote unlimited workflows, unlimited runs, $10 VPS monthly. Break time equals in quote 600 ms in quote the catch, one founder put in 20 hours and still couldn't connect Google Docs. Break time equals in quote 600 ms in quote highest ceiling. Break time equals in quote 600 ms in quote steepest climb. B-roll, break time equals in quote 300 ms in quote execution count bar chart graphic, same $20 budget n8n Cloud Pro, break time equals in quote 300 ms in quote 10,000 executions. Break time equals in quote 600 ms in quote Zapier starter, break time equals in quote 300 ms in quote 750 tasks. Break time equals in quote 600 ms in quote that's 13 times more automation for the same price. B-roll, break time equals in quote 300 ms in quote monthly cost breakdown graphic, real cost ChatGPT plus $20. Break time equals in quote 600 ms in quote Canva Pro $18. n8n VPS $10. Break time equals in quote 600 ms in quote total, break time equals in quote 300 ms in quote $48 a month. Break time equals in quote 600 ms in quote not free. Break time equals in quote 600 ms in quote but cheaper than one freelancer hour. B-roll, break time equals in quote 300 ms in quote revenue dashboard showing $4,000 monthly income, score, break time equals in quote 300 ms in quote 8 out of 10. Break time equals in quote 600 ms in quote ChatGPT writes, Canva ships, n8n automates. Break time equals in quote 600 ms in quote budget $48, not 0. Break time equals in quote 600 ms in quote which would you start with first? Tell me below. Break time equals in quote 600 ms in quote all 3 links are in the description. Break time equals in quote 600 ms in quote subscribe for daily AI tool reviews /speak.